Hey, what's up guys? It's Jacob here from Trade Vibe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use and download the Vantage platform for you to trade on. So let's just get started here. I'm going to go to the App Store or Android market. I think it's pretty much the same. Search for Vantage and then download the Vantage all in one app. I already have it and I'm already logged in, so I just go ahead. So the login credentials you use here is not your MetaTrader account. This is your information that you use to sign up with Vantage in the beginning. If you still haven't signed up with Vantage, you can go to our Discord and there is a video under sign up in the how to get started section where I walk you through how to sign up with Vantage, and then use that password and that email you use for that to sign up. But now for those who already have done that, just go ahead and put in your credentials, and then you will come to this page where you will probably already be verified and all that stuff. And then you can go to your different accounts. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with a demo account since I'm just going to demonstrate some trades here, which is the most important part. But if you still don't have an account, what you can do is say new live account. It will basically send you the information to your email with the servers and all that stuff. It's something that's super cool to have in case you also want to log in on MetaTrader. There's another video about MetaTrader that you can watch. You will use those credentials to log in with that. I will walk you through that in another video, but for now, let's just stick to Vantage. And also, I think in this video, I will show you how easy it is to make a deposit. So I will do that at the end of the video, and talk a little bit about the bonuses that they have, the secrets about bonuses and which ones to look for, which one you shouldn't take. But Vantage overall is a pretty good platform, so you don't have anything to worry about in that regards. Now, if you have more than one account, you can click the arrows here so you can switch between them. So in this case, I'm going to go with this one. All right, so as you can see here, we have some symbols. We got the gold USD, the euro USD, the pound USD, the AUD USD, and the USD JPY. These symbols are some of the popular ones, which is why they are highlighted. You can add more symbols, which is pretty easy. You can go here and search. We got DJ30. That is something we like to trade. We also got the NASH, the S&P 500, and that's pretty much it for the indices. Now let's go to Forex. We use USD CAD, for instance. Don't worry, guys. I will send you a list of all the symbols that we trade. Let's just keep these for now. All right, let's imagine, guys, that we are sending out a trade from Discord, and this is a Euro USD trade. So we click the Euro USD, and we are basically saying buy Euro USD. So what you do now is you click the buy button down below, and then as you can see right now, the trade type is a buy trade, and this is the current price of the market. And that's also very important because when we do send out a trade, then you will also see the price that we entered the market. And if you ever are in doubt whether you should be entering a trade, don't worry. We have an app on Discord that will basically tell you where the trade currently is in the market. We have a pretty cool visualization on our Discord that will always show you, and we will basically use our algorithm to explain whether we still advise you to enter the trade. So if you're a little bit late to the market, you can go and watch that visualization and then figure out whether it's still suitable for you to enter. Now, let's just imagine that it is suitable, which it is in 99% of the time, and we now want to enter. So what do we do from here? So our account is at $1,000, and that means that we are supposed to make some money with $1,000. So how do we do that? Well, there's something here called volume, and then there's something called take profit and something called stop loss. In order for us to figure out our volume, we need to figure out our stop loss. So we start with the stop loss. So in this case, it's all hypothetical, but in our Discord, we usually put our trades with a stop loss at all time. So let's say that we send you out a Euro USD trade and we had a stop loss of 50 pips, then we need to put in 500 points. They do points here, but 500 points is 50 pips and 100 points is 10 pips. So let's just say that we are having a stop loss of 50 pips, so 500 points. We click that, and now it gives us an estimation that our total loss would be a potential of $5. Now we have $1,000 in our account and we would be willing to risk at least 5%. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add in a little bit more so that we can actually get up to those $50. And as you can see here now, we are risking about 5%, which means that our volume is 0.11 lots. You can do all the way up to 100 lots, but we don't have the capacity in our trading account to do that. Now, as you can see here, our required margin is $117. That is an amount that we put down as a sort of like a deposit that the bank, or in this case, the broker, hold onto while we're in the trade. We'll get that money back as soon as we close the trade. But obviously, guys, if the trade is hitting the stop loss, then you would be losing around $55 in this case, which would be roughly about 5% of our balance. Now, take profit, we can also add that in. We strive to have a take profit that's bigger than our stop loss. So in this case, let's just say that we are looking to make double up. So we'll click 500 points twice. As you can see now, our potential earnings are $110. Our maximum loss is 54. Therefore, we have a risk reward of 1 to 2. We will talk more about this in our course. Our course, you will find it on our website. It's super simple to go through, and we will also walk you through it. We have a support system where you can always reach out to our staff, and we will also strive to get back to you in the same day. And so, yeah, don't worry, guys. If you feel a little bit overwhelmed about all this information, just know that it's completely normal, and we are here to help you. And yeah. So now we have all the information put in, and let's just go ahead and open the trade. It's, yeah, everything looks good. So let's just go ahead and say buy. Now the order has been placed, and we can now go and watch our trade. As you can see here, the trade is now running. All right, so history is where you can see your past trades once the open trades are closed. Now, don't worry about this running a little bit in the negative. It's completely normal. The market goes up and down. As long as we are profitable at the end of the week, everything should be good. Now, for the purpose of this video is only to show you how the market works. I did not do any analysis upon this trade. Therefore, this trade can easily be a loss. It doesn't matter. It is only for demonstration. So let's just go ahead and close this trade, because it's important to also see how to do that. Now, there is 2 ways to close this trade. You can do on the chart, or you can basically just click the arrow. So we'll just go ahead and click the arrow over here at the right corner above the profit and loss, which is right now $2 negative. So let's just click the arrow, the cross. So close confirmed. And as you can see now, the trade has been closed. Our balance has been updated, and you can now go to history, and you should be able to now see your trade. It's right there. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you open a trade and close a trade. Actually, yeah, before I forget, let me just show you how easy it is to make a deposit. So let's just go ahead and do that. So now, as you can see, we connected with the live account, and we can now do a deposit. And there are a little bit different ways of doing that. You can do cryptocurrencies, you can do Apple Pay, or you can do credit card. This is the frequent used ones. You can also go with more options, and then you can probably find the way that suits your needs. Now, Apple Pay is what I'm going to go with, and I'm just going to go here and put in 500. And then let's see, no coupons. Nope, we're just going to deposit 500. Let's see if that works. All right, looks like that was done. Now we can close this, and we should have 500. There we go. Yeah, $500 in our live account. Just like that. Pretty simple, especially if you're on a phone. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. And don't forget, if you have any questions, you can always reach us at our support staff. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Peace.